Welcome to the current affairs of 13th March 2026. Let us see the most important topics over India and the world. First, let us discuss the India's retail inflation, which is increased slightly in February 2026 and reached 3.21%. Even though the prices increased, inflation is still within the Reserve Bank of India's comfort zone of 2 to 6%. The increase happened mainly due to rising prices of food items, personal care products, and precious metals. Economists are saying that inflation may increase further because of global oil price fluctuations and geopolitical tensions. So, RBI is expected to maintain a cautious approach while deciding interest rates. Tensions in West Asia have increased due to the escalating conflict due to USA, Israel, and Iran. Military strikes, drone attacks, and retaliatory operations have affected several strategic locations in this region. This has disrupted oil supply routes and pushed the global oil prices above $100 per barrel. This has a serious implications for energy importing countries like India, as it can increase inflation and affect economic stability. This is about the Progressive Punjab Investors Summit 2026, which is being held in Mohali from March 13th to 15th. This event aims to attract global investments into sectors like manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and MSMEs, micro, small, and medium enterprises. The Punjab government claims that investment proposals worth 1.5 lakh crore have already been received since 2022. Such summits help states promote industrial growth and generate employment opportunities. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) has announced that its outreach has expanded to more than 10 crore households across India. Over 5,500 new shakhas were established in the past year. These developments will be reviewed during Akhila Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha, the organization's highest decision making body. This meeting will also discuss plans for future expansion and the centenary celebrations, which is going to held on 13th, 14th, 15th March 2026. And you know that RSS was established in 1925 in Nagpur. And here, Delhi government has warned the departments not to engage in last minute spending at the end of the financial year. Generally, it is called as the March rush. According to the General Fiscal Rules 2017, such spending can lead to inefficient use of public funds. So, department must submit financial proposals before March 23rd, otherwise they will be shifted to the next financial year. Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a heat wave warning for Mumbai and surrounding areas. Temperatures are expected to rise significantly above the normal levels. Experts are saying that this may be due to the inland heat combining with coastal humidity. Increasing heat waves are being linked to climate change and urban heat island effects. India is set to host a stage of Asia Cup archery tournament in New Delhi in 2027. Hosting international sports events strengthens India's global sporting profile and also provides opportunities for our athletes to compete at higher level. So it also promotes the sports infrastructure and international cooperation in sports as well. The ongoing geopolitical tensions in West Asia have raised the concerns about security of global energy routes, especially near the Strait of Hormuz. It's one of the most important oil transport routes in the world. Any disruption in this region can significantly affect the global energy prices and international trade as well. So many government and private initiatives are focusing on strengthening the micro, small, and medium enterprises (MSMEs). Events like regional summits aim to connect the entrepreneurs, policymakers, and investors to explore the growth opportunities. So this MSME sector is very crucial because it contributes significantly to the employment and economic growth in India. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please answer the quiz to check yourself. The link is given in the description. Thank you.